Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. Hope all of you are fine and doing well. Today, we are discussing the language work that is given in our textbook of the topic The Tempest, Part 1. Here, in the language work, we have given a paragraph. Firstly, we read it. Recycling can be defined as the collection and separation of materials from the waste products and their subsequent reuse or processing to produce a marketable product. In other words, it is the use of materials over and over again. Waste from homes and factories contains valuable things which can be recycled as plastic, paper, metal, biogas and manure. Biogas is used as fuel for cooking. Paper and cardboard are made of pulpwood. For every ton of waste paper collected and recycled, 2 trees are saved. Recycling also saves energy and raw materials. Aluminium uses a lot of energy every time you throw away an aluminium can. It is like throwing away the same amount of energy as in half a can of petrol. Recycling glass means that fewer sand pits and limestone quarries are needed, as raw materials is becoming scarce and expensive, and as air, land and water pollution are posing threat to mankind. It becomes increasingly necessary to recycle. Recycling plastic bottles saves 60% energy needed to make new bottles. 70% energy can be saved in making new steel from scrap. Recycling of 1 ton of aluminum reduces emission of aluminum fluoride into the air by 35 kg. Now, dear students, we have here the question number 1. Complete the following sentences. Using the materials repeatedly in different forms is called, we have already studied in the above paragraph, it is called recycling. Trees are saved by recycling waste paper. Here we have the third point. Recycling also saves energy and raw material. Presence of any undesirable or contaminated substance in the environment is called environmental pollution. Half a can of petrol can be saved by reusing aluminum can. Now we have the second question in the language work. It goes just like that. Write the synonyms of the following and make sentences of your own. We will form a table, words, synonyms, and use them in the sentence. First word here is scarce. Scarce, it is synonyms word is rare. We will write the sentence, he is a man of rare talent. Expensive, the synonymous word is costly. Rolex is a costly watch. Save means rescued. Synonymous word is rescued. The drowning boy has been rescued. Pose means it is synonymous word. It is synonymous word is raise. Don't raise any questions. Produce, it is synonymous word is manufacture. We have to manufacture more to meet the demands. Now we have a third question. Use the following phrase and idioms in your sentences. We will again from the table. On one side we will write phrase and idioms, and in the next column we will write sentence. First phrase or idiom, here it is: for one's sake. I am doing it only for your sake. In favor of. I am not in favor of him. In the midst of. Such natural beauty is unexpected in the midst of the city. Keep one's head. In a fit of passion, he could not keep his head. On one's head, I would not write you out, but if you get caught cheating, it is on your head. Remind of. This is the last phrase. I must remind you of your deeds. Okay, dear students, thank you all for watching this video. Have a nice day.